Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones setups for today. So I've left the two levels in from yesterday, and you can see we're still respecting them. Oscillators indicating a move down, moving averages indicating a move up. And as I said yesterday, this does look like a flag here, and it does look like there's been a break of the flag. It hasn't really been a retest. And the other thing to look at would be big cup and handle. So this level at 48.85 is still my line in the sand. Get above it, test it, and then we're looking for longs. Look at the 3 hour, this is sideways. Oscillators are starting to ease off a bit. And, we've had a good set of earnings come out. So all the earnings were as expected, or a little bit better than expected. But we are waiting for the Feds to announce their interest rate decision this evening. So I don't think anything's going to happen until then. I think that's where the focus is right now. And if you just look at the hour, nothing really changes. Big up, big down, big up, big down. Big confusion. The only thing bullish here is the fact that we're staying above the 150 EMA. So break above the highs of yesterday, retest that, then I'll be looking at this. I don't think that's going to happen today. That'll more than likely only start happening tomorrow. And that just depends what the Feds say. If the Feds come out all confused again, then we're probably going to have a confusion, basically, sideways, big up, big down confusion as the market looks for some other catalyst to get this thing moving. So patience is key, I'm afraid. There's nothing that you can really do about this. Not even the 15-minute gives you opportunities. The only thing that is the same across all time frames is the fact that we are slightly bullish by being above the 150 EMA. So yeah, let's wait for the Feds and see what that brings. And until then, let's sit on hands for me. Short and sweet today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.